boys and girls. It's studies time. We are taking a break from science, and Miss Thompson's getting to take a break. I'm going to step in and teach you social studies, and we're starting a new unit, and it's about economics, opportunity costs, scarcity, money. Any of that ring a bell? Well, let's get started. Here is your first slide. Our learning goal for this unit will start with, we will understand that money plays a very important role in our world. And I'm sure you're saying right now, hey, I know that. We're just going to dig deeper. And to be successful, I can explain what goods and services is. I think I'm going to change that to are. So this slide says, watch the video. That's the video you're watching right now that I'm going to plop right there. Number two, which you're very familiar with because Ms. Thompson's gotten you, I think, very comfortable with Discovery Ed. You're going to log into Discovery Ed. Number three, you're going to watch a video and you're going to actually log in, and this is going to be what you're going to see. This board is built to talk about the meaning of money. And this says, hey, boys and girls, we're going to start a new unit in social studies. We will be studying money, opportunity costs, scarcity, and more. To begin this unit, I'd like for you to have a good understanding of what money is and how important it is to our society. So you are going to watch the video and answer these three questions. That's your job for today. And that's it. We're going to have a really good day thinking about money, and even talk to maybe your family about the cost of gas and why it's significantly cheaper now than it was, say, a year ago. So that'd be a great conversation over dinner to have. Have a wonderful day. Happy Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow.